Did you know the number one reason businesses fail isn't a bad product or lack of passion? It's lack of capital. And what if I told you that the advice most people get about securing that capital, especially if you have bad personal credit, is a complete scam designed to waste your time and money? I'm talking about the myth of no personal guarantee business funding. You're here because you're an entrepreneur. You've got the drive, the ideas, and the work ethic, but you're hitting a wall. You need funding to be able to scale, to hire, to buy inventory, or maybe just to keep your business alive. The problem is your personal credit score is holding you back, and every time you try to apply somewhere, it feels like the door just gets slammed shut, rejected, and denied. So you start seeing the ads, the gurus telling you that there's this magic shortcut. They say that you can get tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands in business credit using just your EIN with no personal credit check and no personal guarantee. Sounds perfect, right? But as the old saying goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Because the truth is, chasing this no PG, fairy, unicorn dream is a resource draining rabbit hole that distracts you from your real goal, which is getting access to real cash funding for your business. And so in this video, I'm gonna pull back the curtain and I'm gonna show you exactly why the traditional build your business credit, no PG model is broken, how it benefits the vendors, not you, and why it leaves you with useless non-cash credit. Then I'm gonna give you the real blueprint, the real proven path to get high limit 0% business funding and even get access to capital starting out with bad personal credit. Now, if you need capital right now, I'm going to share legitimate bridge options to help you stay afloat while you're fixing the real issue. If you're new to the channel, my name is Colin and I read Rich Dad Poor Dad when I was just 13 years old, and I became obsessed with all things credit, finance, and investing. I even followed in Robert Kiyosaki's footsteps, and I enlisted in the Marine Corps when I turned 18. And that's exactly where I saw what he warned about in his books, that they do not teach financial literacy in school. And the Marines to my left and right were defaulting on cars and credit cards, so I got certified in credit repair to help them fix it. Fast forward to today, I run an 8-figure credit repair and funding company. And I make these videos to help entrepreneurs just like you fix first, fund second, invest third, in that order. So let's start by dismantling this no PG myth piece by piece so you can stop wasting your time and money chasing something that literally does not exist, guys. You've probably been told that your EIN is the golden ticket, that you can build a separate credit profile identity for your business. And while that's true, it's very limited. Let's look at the process these so-called experts are trying to sell you on, and I'm going to show you exactly where it falls apart. So you're told to set up an LLC, get your EIN, and start building business credit through Net 30 vendors and build your Dun & Bradstreet score, Experian business, and Equifax business. Then they promise that if you keep following their credit tier system, you'll eventually unlock massive funding with no personal guarantee, no PG. But here's how that system actually works and why it's a massive waste of time. They start you out with tier 1 vendor credit. This is what I call the buy useless junk stage. You're told to open Net 30 accounts at companies like Uline, Granger, and Quill. Spend $50 to $200 every single month on overpriced office supplies or cleaning products that you don't even need, all just to create a payment history. But here's the kicker. Many of these vendors don't even report payments until you've bought from them for multiple months. So you're spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars and waiting months to maybe just get 1 or 2 trade lines to report, where you could just go to Nav Prime and get 2 trade lines right out the gate for $49. Then they move you to tier 2, the slightly less useless stage. This includes gas cards, retail cards like Lowe's, Home Depot, Sam's Club, and it sounds good until you realize these are all store cards. You can't use a Lowe's card for payroll, marketing, or investing in your business. You can only use it at Lowe's. This whole process could take 6 to 18 months and thousands of dollars just to end up with limited non-cash credits that you can't use anywhere but those stores. Then comes the final lie. The mythical, magical tier 4 bank credit. This is the dream they sell you, that once you have 10 to 15 vendor trade lines reporting and store accounts, you suddenly qualify for huge, no personal guarantee credit cards from Chase and Amex. But it's a complete fantasy and a lie. Here's the truth. I personally talked to hundreds of bankers and underwriters, and I've been down this road myself 6 years ago in 2019. And I can tell you, banks always require a personal guarantee for small and new businesses, period. The only real no PG credit exists at the corporate level for companies earning typically minimum $2 million in verifiable revenue. And American Express might offer it to a corporation doing about $2 million in revenue or more. Capital One, $8 million plus. So if you're a startup or a small business, this path is a dead end and it's a lie. And even if it weren't, the opportunity cost is enormous. You could spend a year and $1,000 buying all this office supplies you don't need, or you could use that same time, money, and effort and resources to fix your personal credit instead. This is the real key to getting 6 figures in funding. And I know because I made the same mistake over 6 years ago. I built up a perfect Paydex score, and guess what I got for it? A Sam's Club MasterCard. That's it. No real cash credits, no 0% funding that I could use to scale. So just another reminder that the system is built to sell you a dream. Now listen, if you've been stuck in this cycle and you just want my team to fix your credit or help you get business funding, click the link in the description and pinned comment. My team will review your credit profile, identify the issues, and help you fix it or help you get access to business funding. Now, if the no PG route is a dead end, what are the alternatives? It's very simple. Stop running from your personal credit and start mastering it instead. Stop kicking the can down the road and attack the problem head on. Think of your credit score as your financial resume. For a new or growing business, that's all the banks have to judge you on. A strong score shows responsibility and reliability, and that's what opens up the doors to 0% funding. I've personally helped clients secure 100K plus in 0% funding with a brand new LLC, sometimes only a week old, just because they had a 700 score. 0 business credit, 0 revenue, no history. All they had was a personal, optimized, clean credit score. So here's your blueprint. Step 1, shift your mindset. Stop wasting energy on gimmicks and redirect it towards mastering your personal credit and attacking that problem head on. Let's get your credit fixed once and for all. Step 2, know your numbers. Pull your 3-bureau credit report from IdentityIQ. Don't rely on free apps. You need the full data. Highlight all of your negatives, late payments, collections, anything holding you back. Step 3, set your goal, a 700 plus score. That is a magic number. That's where you unlock the best limits, the best terms, and 0% business funding and no doc business loans and lines of credit. Step 4, execute the fix. Dispute every single negative item under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, because if something can't be verified, it must be removed. Send goodwill letters for legitimate late payments and negotiate pay for deletion agreements for any collection accounts. Crush your utilization, consolidate it on a personal loan and get it below 9%. Now, step 5, get access to real funding. Once your credit's 680 plus, you can walk into a bank like Chase, B of A, and get approved for 20, 30, 50, and even 100K in real 0% business capital. With the right credit profile, you don't need money to start. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but I need cash now, and my scores are still in the 400s or 500s. You're not out of options. There are bridge funding solutions, but you got to use them wisely. If your credit is poor, every loan you're going to get is going to be very expensive, guys. Expect high rates, weekly repayments, which are huge red flags if you're not prepared. But sometimes a short-term solution can keep you alive while you're rebuilding. So for example, PayPal Working Capital is based on your PayPal sales, not your credit. They take a small percentage of your daily revenue until it's paid off. Or Fundbox. This is a line of credit for businesses that are at least 6 months of revenue and a 600 minimum FICO. You're going to have to repay weekly, but it can fill the gaps in cash flow while you're rebuilding. Then there's the opportunity funds. These lend to underserved communities and entrepreneurs. You need a minimum 570 FICO and at least 3 months in business, but sometimes their terms are a little bit better than some of those other high-risk lenders. Use these options carefully. They're bridges, right? They shouldn't be a permanent solution. Your long-term goal should be to fix your personal credit, optimize it to 700 plus to unlock top-tier funding at 0%. Now, at the end of the day, The difference between those who scale and those who stay stuck isn't what they know, it's what they do. It's about taking action. Stop chasing shortcuts. Start building the foundation that actually works. Now that you know the truth, your next question should be, all right, well, how do I fix my credit? That's exactly what I cover in this next video, my 4-step credit repair strategy. I'm going to show you how to spot quick wins, remove late pays, and strategically pay down balances to skyrocket your credit score fast. Click the next video and let's get you funded right away, guys.